Our life is impossible without big money. Unstable income is excellent. Motivation to reboot our lives. Not all of us want something. Do to get rich, but Brian Tracy claims if you want to get what you never had, become who you are. Never had a way to turn into the person who earns that amount. The money you want, you will only know. In this video, welcome to the channel. Become a billionaire. Join the ranks. Future millionaires just by clicking on subscribe button. Change your attitude towards money. Many people love and love at the same time. Hate money states Russia. They hate those who have them but all. Life and strive to. Most people fail to get rich. Accumulate a substantial nest egg because they do not understand the nature of money and the principles. Their work is money, like people are live creatures. When you wake up and go to work and you sell your product, when you realize that every morning is yours. Assets wakes up with the same worker. Potential, like you will discover your path to success, says Tracy. The dollar you save is yours. Employees over time. Your employees make enough money to hire new employees. When you become really successful, you will have to sell your labor. Live off the performance of your assets. Big numbers are made up of small ones. You don't need a whole to start. Napoleonic army, says Brian Tracy. People often think that something is missing. They think it's not. Can get rich if I don't start right away. To make big investments, they don't understand that any army begins with one soldier. The same thing happens to their finances. One woman worked dishwasher and made bags out of detergent bottles. The woman invested and saved all the money that she had, even if they were just a few dollars today. Portfolio investment built on small investment amounts to several $1 million. Ain't worth it. Just as economical, but the story of this women teaches a very valuable lesson. Not despise the money of small beginnings. Money need not love them, need be jealous. Treat money like a jealous lover. Advise Russia. Millions want financial freedom, but only those who makes it a priority gets millions. If you ignore money, they will ignore you, and even worse, leave who will make them their priority. Future millionaire, and remember that only it depends on you how many people will hear this useful financial information from. Support this video and thank you for the work done is really very. You just need to put like under this video. High salary does not mean wealth. Even if you have more money, it won't solve your problems. Money how magnifying glass, they magnify and show your habits, states Tracy. You can't handle the job for which you get $10,000 a year. The worst thing that can happen to you is salary of $100,000 a year is yours. Destroy. And there are many people who earn $100,000 a year, live off paycheck to paycheck, and don't understand why. The problem is not the size of their wallet. The problem is how they use their. Bryant says money savings is the beginning of the path to financial freedom. Based on this principle, you will understand that $20 here and $40 there play an important role in the long term run. Money can work instead you, and the more money you hire, more of them will be. With more money comes great freedom. Freedom to be at home with children, the freedom to retire and travel the world, or freedom quit your job if you have a source income. You can start today. Get rich at first. Let it be $5, $10 each. Investment will become foundation stone of your financial independence. Not repeated by their parents if they were not rich people. Madness repeating the same thing over and over again and wait for another result. If your parents lived the wrong life you want to live, don't do what did they advise Brian. If you don't want to live the same way the previous ones lived, again generations of your family, you will have to get rid of their thinking to achieve financial independence and success that your family did or did not have. You need to do two things. First, try to get rid of all debts, and second, start postponing and invest your funds. Excitement equals defeat. Life is an amazing thing no matter where, and it doesn't matter what direction you're going, says Tracy. If you decide to take control over your life and increase, don't let your capital doubt with every second you get closer and closer to your goals of control and freedom. Every dollar which falls into your hands is the grain your financial future. If you will make responsible decisions, you will surely achieve financial prosperity. Will come the day when you make the final payment for your home or car, and until then, enjoy process. Future millionaire, and write to comments under this video where immediately earn his money after leaving school. First money. Brian Tracy comments with the correct answer is sure to hit next videos. Music. It is worth accepting the idea that in our time wealth is available to everyone. Simply not everyone is ready to rebuild their lives. Try for big money. Listen to what you hear today. Brian Tracy's advice. I only when you can really turn life towards money will reach out to you. Don't forget to share this video with their friends and relatives. After all, such financial advice can make you richer.